USA Address Validator plus Geocoder add-on lets you to detect the input address and validate them whether they are accurate and those addresses exist. You can also geocode and obtain latitude and longitude, as well as you can separate the fields of the address like the street name, city, state, and many more fields. To give an exact overview, the default formula is address validate, specify the inputs, and press enter. This should give you the default outputs, which is nothing but the validated address. To give latitude and longitude, go to extensions, open the add-on. Now choose the latitude and longitude. If you'd like to separate the street name, zip code, and other fields, choose whichever you would like to get them as separated. The numbers indicate the order of columns. The formula is automatically built from your selections. Click Copy Formula. Paste the formula here, and this will give you a complete split of the details you have in the input. If you'd like to grab this for the entire range, this should give you the results. For the headers, copy, paste, go to Data, split text to columns, and this gives you the fields respectively. I hope this add-on is helpful. Thank you.